I'm Lynsey, one of the co-creators of Lusso Tan, and I am going to talk you through how quick and easy it is to apply Lusso Tan. All tanning starts with good prep, so you must moisturise and you must exfoliate in between tanning. I tan every single week and my skin is in tip-top condition because I will make sure in between times I am exfoliating and moisturising. But the most important step is to prep the skin just prior to the tan. So when you're in the shower and you're using a body lotion or soap or even a cream, it can take out the natural oils in your skin, and that's going to leave your skin dry. And tan loves dry skin, it just clings to it, and that's when you can see like patches once you've applied the tan. So with the Lusso Tan Primer, this is to go on just before you tan. As soon as you're out of the shower, dry yourself, and then I just nip back into the shower and put this all over the body. Super, super, super easy to apply. That's it. And that's just all over the body. That's going to leave my skin lovely and plumped, lovely and soft, lovely and supple, and just the perfect canvas then to put the tan on. The Lusso Tan Primer actually can be used on its own as well. I use this every morning. I have ruined my skin for many years sunbathing before I knew any better. And now I find that I have fine lines and wrinkles here, and it is a huge bugbear of mine as soon as I get up in the morning and I look in the mirror and I see this. So straight on with the primer. Great as well for taking on holiday with you, just to really refresh your skin. A quick squirt all over. You can set your makeup with this, and I've even known makeup artists to use this with our step 3, which is the shimmer, and you can just give a quick spritz all over the body and then brush the shimmer over the top. So really a multi-purpose little bottle of primer here. You can use it for so many things, but it's ideally used before the tan, just to really plump the skin and rebalance your pH. As I say, that's going to be the perfect canvas then for when we start tanning. So Lusso Tan itself comes in a light, medium or dark, and I would call this a gel lotion. It's in between a lotion and a gel. Super easy to apply, a really nice dark guide colour, which means that you can see it as soon as you put it onto the skin. There's absolutely no smell with it. Even overnight when the tan is developing, when the GH is coming out, you will not smell this. I have been known actually to put this tan on a Saturday morning, go to work all day, and if I don't have time, I will just zoom out that night and not even wash it off. But ideally it is best to wash off the guide colour. All of our tans are organic. They have vitamins A and E, which is going to nourish the skin. Aloe vera, which is going to hydrate the skin and really prolong the tan.